How to link Amazon Prime Video to Crunchyroll. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Crunchyroll Connect with Prime. In the search results, you'll see the website link with Connect with Prime Video option. So tap on this. It'll prompt you to this login page. Here you can see Connect with Prime Video at the top. So from here, you can connect your Crunchyroll account to your Amazon Prime Video account. If you don't have a Crunchyroll account yet, you can even create an account over here. Or if you already have the Crunchyroll account, you can select this login option, enter your Crunchyroll account credentials and password of your account, and select this login with Amazon option. Now it will prompt you to the login page of the Amazon Prime Video. So log into your Prime Video account. It will ask you for your permission, and there you go. Your Prime Video is successfully linked with your Crunchyroll account. That was a very easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.